So today we're going to fit my new radio head, temporary radio, to my TT, and it's a double DIN player as well. So we're going to take out the old one, so I'm going to film that and put the new one in. This is temporary until my new player comes, which will be, you'll also see me fit. I just want to see how the double DIN looks like in the car, so let's go and do that. Okay, so this is the unit here that's going to go into the TT. So it's a Pioneer SPH DA100. It's an old head unit, and this unit here, this is the a double DIN unit that's been made by a guy I found on eBay. I'll give you the details and a link to his site later. So as you can see, it's already been mounted into the car, and then the frame is it's a Volkswagen frame for a radio that again you get that you need to fit into the adapter. So it looks pretty good. So I need to strip out the old heating controls and fit them in here. Then we need to take out the old console. So let's go and do that in the car now, and then we'll fit this in, and hopefully it should look a lot better than the standard OEM version. Okay, welcome back everyone. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this binnacle out here, we're going to extract these controls here, and we're going to put them into the new system, the new binnacle that will go in the middle here, which will house a double DIN. So rather than take the radio out from here, I'm going to try and take this whole unit out, and hopefully I'll be able to take the radio out from the inside, because I don't have the pins needed to take that out, which isn't an issue. So this is held together with these side frames here, and they require one T30 torque wrench. So let's get on, let's see how we get on. We'll take this out, and then we'll take out the heating controls, hopefully in one place without breaking anything. Right, let's go. So I've taken off the heating controls from the car. You need to take these off so that you can fit them into the double DIN unit here. And then in the unit here you've got these 4 bolts, which are T10 Torax bolts, and you need those out so you can stick the heater element back into the car. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take those out now, and then we're going to fit that in there, and then once that's in, we can then fit this into the car. By the way, before we do even that, there is in the bottom here you've got the lights. So what this is for is the illumination, so the red light that you get when you turn on the exterior lights, so that you get that back, because in the old one there's a little square which you lose. So if you want to gain those lights, then you need to put the bulbs, and they come in the kit. I'll show you that in a second. Right, so here's the bulbs. So these 2 LED bulbs, they come with the kit with these connectors, and it also comes with some Scotch locks, which is great. And so they fit in the bottom here like that. So you have one goes into there like that, and the other one fits in, kind of fits in, should fit in, will fit in. Here we go. So it fits in like that. So you get your bulbs underneath like that. So it's pretty good actually. It's a pretty cool kit. Now let me fit the heating controls in. That shouldn't take me long. Okay, so once that goes in, that goes right in, and then fits quite snug. Fits pretty good, looks pretty good, doesn't it? Looks really OEM. So let me screw those in place. Right, so that's all four in place. You can see that is all in. Here's our wires for the lights, the side lights, or vanity lights if you want to call them that. And as you can see, we have our controls in place. So now all we have to do is put our radio in, and this unit here, this is what you get from the Volkswagen range. So basically the fascia for the Volkswagen, you need to get that for part of this kit, and then that bolts in with these 4 bolts from behind, and like that, and that makes it secure, which then means you can put your universal double DIN unit in, which we've got in the car. The one we got in the car is a Pioneer SPH DA100, so that's just temporary until the real radio comes, which is going to come in about 10 days time. I'll give you a review of that, because one of these Chinese no names, but it has CarPlay in it, which is what I want for my car. So you'll see me put that in here, but in the meantime I've got a temporary radio which will just suffice while we wait for the real radio to arrive. Okay, so that's all set. Let's go in the car and let's get this all plugged in. Okay, so there's the end result. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? So essentially, excuse the fact that we've got there's a fascia and this is not quite sitting quite right. There's something underneath fouling, but I'll sort that out when I fit the official radio in. But in terms of the way it looks a lot better. So we've got the little vanity lights, they're still there. So we've got 2 of those now down below. So you can see that. So very happy with that. And then we've got the radio, which is a Panasonic SPH DA100. It's an older model as well, but it works pretty well. Which is pretty cool. And yeah, it works pretty well, so I'm pretty happy with it. And yeah, so this will do me for the next 10 days. So that's stage 1 mod done, which is the double DIN. I'll link, the guy who sells these is on eBay. They're really good, actually, really high quality. You wouldn't know that it was a third party. And this bit here just fits perfectly in here. So I'll link his site below, where you can find more information and details on how to get one of these. And it, like I said, it fits really well in the car. So yeah, so thank you for that. So that's that, and stay tuned for the next modification, which will be the back of the car to fit the brace and the net, and also to remove those seats. I'm gonna put a bit of carpet on the back there as well. So now I just gotta tidy up the mess that I've made, but we're happy with that. So stay tuned for the next vlog. Like I said, look me up on Instagram where I post most of my pictures, and yeah, hopefully the next vlog will be out next week. So goodbye.